Dear parents, students, and my dear colleagues, I am speaking from Allen's Principal's Cabin, Dr. Satyajit. The mutant coronavirus pandemic is more dreadous, where contamination and transmission fears are compounded by stresses. And we are thinking so much about tomorrow by getting information of today. In the face of unprecedented disruptions for the COVID 19 pandemic, we have to find the way to improve the sustainability and the satisfactions of all Allensians, the whole students community through competency-based learning. Opportunity and responsibility to become the engine of the Great Reset. We have to deliver the value to a wide range for all stakeholders. My dear, stay informed with the right information from trusted sources as WHO, World Health Organization. In this regards, my message to all of you, please be active. A good antidote to stress is to get active and organized. Turn your to-do list into a Tada list. Talk with family, your good friends about the plans, and it's possibly help them to get organized. Balance your thoughts and your emotions with a realistic thought to operate your emotion. My dear, it's the humble message to all of you. Please disconnect yourself, switch off the noise, and replace it with music, games, entertainment, meditation, healthy routines such as tidying your rooms or calling the loved ones. Clear your doubts with your mentors. Be kind to yourself and others. My dear, please keep looking forward. Know the saying, this too shall pass. Don't worry, be happy. The world has been rudely and brutally shaken and bruised by the coronavirus. Human innovation can transform every hindrance and adverse situation into an opportunity for improvement. If we draw the right lessons, we could turn this into an opportunity. Again, I am saying, don't worry, be happy. My dear, it's the advice from Allen's, their message to take regular, symptom-free, lateral flow, diverse test, LFD. In this time of developing symptoms, must go for PCR confirmatory test. We empathize with the uncertainty that you face and would like to reassure you that we are working to support your well-being and offer you the best school, new normal experience that we can. My dear, the school has shown its resilience, and ability to adapt and convert a challenging situation to an opportunity. Traditional classroom where teaching and learning transacted have been completely replaced by online platforms, overcoming the barriers of space. Students are able to write their examination within the comforts of their home. So again, my dear, all Alancians and the students community, it's my message. Don't take unnecessarily stress. Don't be worried. Be always happy. To expand the landscape of e-learning, we are launching e-portal, which has enhanced accessibility to learning, foster best practices, and promotes professional development by harnessing the benefits available educational technologies. It is indeed the collective responsibility of each one of us from Allen's family to give our best in whatever we do. Instead of compromising with mediocrity, so that we continue to be an institution of eminence. Not just today, but for times to come. It's my prayer for all of your good health and emotional balance. During this time of unprecedented crisis brought on humanity by the COVID-19 pandemic, all of you are in our thoughts and in our prayers, with you and your all family members. We are confident that being all alumni of Allen's, you must be contributing diligently in the service of the nation at this critical juncture of the country. You Allensians, with your family members, always been committed to national service in this crisis. Definitely, you are doing the best with your family and friends to meet the pandemic challenge. The pandemic has forced us to rethink the way we work and deliver. Our teachers have successfully explored virtual classes and other digital aids to ensure continuity in the teaching learning mechanism. We have launched the APS Care Neighborhood programs, so we have helped the students return from different states in our state's Chhattisgarh in this COVID crisis. The school has constituted a special digital circus, and within the circle, with a diverse representation that meets regularly through virtual mode to discuss impending challenges, devise solutions, and implement them expeditiously. My dear, Corona is of course mutant at this present juncture. It's fearful, but we should not lose our patience. Corona, you get fearful, you are anxious with great panic because you are observing the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TV's news, and all the talk from the friends and the families. Everywhere it is creating echo, the thundering of Corona. It sends the impulses to your brain and producing chemical, and we feel more sad disturbed and panic day by day. My dear, Corona is the crown. The virus has spikes on it. My dear, again I am repeating, the outer layer of the sun is also called corona. The stellar corona, it has a beautiful golden ring which we can never see because the sun is so bright that we are blinded by its light. But sun, when goes through the solar eclipse, when it goes through complete darkness, we can see its beautiful stellar corona in its golden light. We are now going through complete darkness, and if we allow ourselves, we can see our true light. Just you imagine, now we have to stretch our arms and our respects to our farmers, our healthcare providers, our doctors, our nurses, our police, our forces, our teachers, our parents, our seniors, our truly matters. Today is extend our hands towards the needy person. Our kindness, our generosity in oneness, love and simplicity. My dear friends, my dear all the stakeholders of Alliance, it's my benign request to all togethers, because our mantra of the family is only one, that is learning to live together with share, care, love and smile. This is our wisdom. Thank you very much.